you guys, there is typing job that is very much in demand right now, and that is captioning and subtitling. And you know that people are doing podcasts everywhere right now on social media platforms, and they need engagement. And this subtitling or captioning helps to improve their engagement. So they are looking for people to do this captioning for them, and they're willing to pay to be able to have this captioning embedded in their videos. And this captioning can come in different forms. There are real-time captioning, there is also closed captioning, and you cannot limit yourself to only podcasts. You can caption TV shows, films, and anything at all that can be shown on the screen can be captioned. So what you have to do is to position yourself well to be able to get this job and to get started, and it's simply you listening and typing. Now the difference between this and transcription is that you can transcribe audios, but captioning and subtitling is always done on video files that people can see and engage with. So that being said, to get started as a total beginner, you have to go to this website. The name of the website is Closed Caption Creators, and as you can see, they have a lot of video courses on this place on captioning, especially closed captioning, and these videos are hosted on YouTube, as you can see. So you start with the part 1, which is easy to follow, and you're going to see the titles and everything you need to know about this, and then you learn more about how to do captioning. Now you can also go to YouTube and look for other captioning videos, tutorials that people have done to equip yourself to be able to do this job well and to understand what it entails as a beginner to do this job. Once you are done with this, then you can go to these platforms that are going to pay you to do this captioning for people. Now these platforms, people bring their videos to them, and then they look for captioners that can do the job, and then they pay them per video hour and or per hour, depending on what this platform offers. One of the platforms I'm going to mention here is going to pay you up to like $3,000 as a top earner every month on this platform. So this is what you might want to consider and get started with. So the first platform I want to talk about is Amberscript. Now the good thing about these jobs is that you don't really need to have tons of experience or have a degree or anything like that to get started. You don't even need to do an interview. However, some may ask you to do some assessment tests. That is why the course I mentioned earlier is very important for you to get started. So this particular platform, Amberscript, if you come to the website, this is basically what it looks like, and you can become a transcriber, subtitler, or translator on this platform. So here is how it works. You can work from home or anywhere you want, as long as you have internet connection, and then you can schedule whenever you want to work. And the payment here they make here is every month. They pay out every month for all the work you have completed via PayPal or bank transfer. So this is how it works based on your choice. The good thing is you are allowed to choose anything you want to do here. If you want to transcribe any file or to caption any file, you are allowed to. So here is for people that want to become transcribers, and this one is for captioners. So on the average, this one will pay you $1.90 per audio/video minute you caption here on this platform. So you have to watch the videos first. You have to revise the automatically generated test to make it perfect. What it means is that they'll have to generate the test automatically. Your only is to listen and make it perfect. And of course, you have to format and synchronize the test with the audio. So that's basically what you have to do. So for the interest of this video, our focus is going to be only on captioning, but you can find translation jobs and transcription jobs here as well. So if you're interested in this platform, you might want to check it out and get started working with them on the platform. So the next website we're going to talk about is one that says that you can actually earn $3,000 as a top earner on a monthly basis doing captioning jobs on this platform. So if you come here, it says subtitling jobs from home, and you enjoy flexible working hours. These are the communities they have globally. They have people in United States, United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, Philippines, and many more countries. So on this platform, you earn $1.10 per minute, and on the average, you earn $450 monthly. But if you're top earner, you can earn $3,000 monthly working on this platform as a captioner. So how it works is that you submit your application, you take an assessment test and complete the test questionnaire, you select a file, show your magic and start working on it, then you get paid by weekly, and they're going to transfer your money directly to your account in your currency. What it means is that no matter what your currency is, once you completed the job, they're going to do the conversion and send the money to you in your currency directly to your bank account. You can also check out other jobs they have here on this platform to get started. So if you're interested, the name of the platform is HappyScribe. You might want to check it out and get started. I'm going to leave the link to all these platforms in the comment section, so where you see it, just say seen on the comment section so I know that you have seen it. Now before we continue, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. This is the only way you can support us for the work we do. We really appreciate all of you that has been supporting us so far. Thank you so much. So the next one I want to talk about is another one where you can find transcription and all those type of job, captioning job here. You can start earning from $15 to $22 per audio hour, and on a monthly basis you can earn $250 every month. And for special teams they have here, they earn like $60 to $70 per audio hour. So these are the things you start to gain once you start working for them: freedom and flexibility, and you have to grow your skill and career and all those kind of stuff here. So to get started, you have to create an account, and you connect your account with your PayPal account because they're going to pay you via PayPal, and you have to take an entrance examination to be able to activate your account on this platform. And if you're looking to get started working with them, you can click here where it says start freelancing, and you're going to see the form you're going to fill. Once you have filled it, you signed up, and then you continue with the next step that is going to be expected of you once you're done with filling out this form. So you might want to check it out. The name of the platform is TranscribeMe, so you might want to check it out. Now the next one I want to talk about is a very popular one when it comes to transcription captioning job, and that is Rev. So this is what Rev.com looks like, and you can get paid every week, and it's going to be sent via your PayPal. Now on the average you earn $240 every month working on this platform, and as a top earner you can make like $1,570 on this platform. So you can start working from home with this easy step. You sign up and get approved to caption. What it means is that you have to take the grammar test or quiz they have here to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills, and then you choose from available captioning jobs. And they said they always have hundreds of caption jobs for you to choose from. You select the ones that you're interested in, and then you get paid weekly via PayPal. As a captioner, you get paid every Monday for the audio files that you have completed. So these are the benefits you start to earn for choosing this platform. So you pick from varieties of educational videos, and you pick your schedule. These are more like the benefits you can stand to gain for signing up for almost all of them, because you have the right to choose the platform you want to work with, and you schedule your time, work whenever you want to work and stuff like that. So that's basically how you can get started. So if these websites are not available in your country, you can check out Fiverr and Upwork. There are transcription jobs or captioning jobs there that you can do for people, especially individuals, that you can work with one-on-one and start any money from the comfort of your home doing captioning job. So you have to know that you have to have a laptop to be able to be efficient with doing these jobs, and so that you can do it well. So if this video was helpful, please don't fail to like, subscribe to our channel. If you're looking for remote work from home jobs that you can do, maybe to read Google ads or other remote work from home jobs that you can do, do well to check out this video showing on your screen. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. We're really grateful to all of you for your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.